Hi, this is Manoj Bajpayee,
Hi, मैं हूं सुशांत सिंह राजपूत
and you're watching us on Bollywood Hangama.
आज हमारे साथ में हैं दो बहुत ही मंझे हुए कलाकार। सोन चिड़िया इनकी फिल्म आ रही है। वी हैव विद अस पद्मश्री मनोज बाजपेयी साहब एंड सुशांत सिंह राजपूत। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आप लोगों का बॉलीवुड हंगामा पे।
थैंक यू
Thank
अपनी
you.
पिक्चर थोड़ा सा मतलब देसी टाइप में है, तो हम लोग उसको हिंदी और इंग्लिश में भी मिक्स करने की कोशिश करते हैं।
जी बिल्कुल।
एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत बहुत मुबारक आपको पद्मश्री के लिए।
Thank you very much.
एंड कैसा लगता है आपको पद्मश्री मनोज बाजपेयी?
नहीं,
भारी लगता है?
पद्मश्री बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो मतलब वो सम्मान है। वो सब
ऐसे बोला जाता है ना पद्मश्री,
बिल्कुल,
ऐसे बोलते हैं ना।
नहीं, आप उसको बोलिए मत। हाँ, मतलब सम्मान मिला, आप बधाई दे रहे हैं, मैं उसको जो है बहुत ही नम्र दिल से मैं उसको स्वीकार करता हूँ। इससे आगे कुछ नहीं।
मतलब सर काबिल ही नहीं है, हम्बल भी है इसके साथ मतलब ये
हमेशा हम भी हैं और मतलब द टाइम हैज स्टॉप्ड। जैसे हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि बैंडिट क्वीन 25 साल पहले
जी।
आई थी और अभी सोन चिड़िया आई है, दोनों में
मान सिंह,
अब देख रहे हैं
दोनों में मान सिंह।
टाइम मशीन है क्या सर?
he is looking younger. That is, time machine is his favorite subject.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think
One of
you
his
have
favorite
it.
subjects. And how do when you look at someone like him, how do you respond?
I know what work is actually like a very recent thing, but in terms of it is validation.
Right.
But I didn't know long back, not like 2 years back. But now I know when I study about health and biotech and all these things, I realize that these were the things that I've been taught for a while now in Vedas and Ayurveda. Sir does Kriya Yoga and meditation, and I know how effective they are. They're not soft skills; they are dense skills. So that is why what you see here is, we can give credit to sir, of course, to know the importance of those things in order to pursue it.
I think he's very strict with his diet as well, which is I think very crucial.
Absolutely, yes. Food is
For
us.
you to retain the leanness the way he is, he has this
I
lean
have,
body.
when these guys were coming in, they are setting a their bar very high. So one has to be. I mean, apart from everything, if you are really interested in working for a very long time and working with a healthy mind and a healthy body,
Right.
it's important that you stay in shape mentally, emotionally, and physically. It's very important for anybody.
Yeah, like that's like a marker of life only. When
Yeah.
you're not very well, you die. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So the more fit you are, you're happy in your life. That means.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Sir?
Yeah, so the thing is, I was never a very late night person. Never, even in my bachelorhood days. I used to retire. People used to party in my room, in the same room, because there used to be only one room, and all the friends were
This is
partying.
when? This is when?
I mean, in our initial days in Mumbai, I don't call it as struggling days because
Yeah, of course.
I hate that word. Initial days in Mumbai, there used to be one room in that chawl, and every one of us is partying. But at 11:30, I'll be found snoring, in one corner. And everybody was used to it because that's how I was. I wanted to be with my friends. I'm a friend. I was amply supported by my friends. I loved them. I still love them. I loved each and every moment that I spent with them. But 11:30, no compromise. So much so that my, somebody who has given me the most breakout role, Bhikkhu Mahatre, Ram Gopal Verma,
Right.
he came to my place once. And the friends were cooking because Ramu is coming, and starters and mutton and fish, everything was being cooked because Ramu is coming. Okay, to this friend's house. So the drinks were served, starters were served, everything is happening, and then I said, by that time I was one bedroom hall. And I said, I'll just come. Ramu, just excuse me. Yeah, he said. And after that, cut to the next day of the shoot.
You slept.
Now that would come as a shocker for. would have come as a shocker for him because 11:30 is normally the time to go in a party. He sleeps. So that's what I'm saying.
I slept.
Right.
Simple things and you see the results.
No, definitely.
Absolutely.
कैसा आपका तजुर्बा रहा working with someone like Abhishek Chaubey, who's made I think some of the most interesting films in the recent times. I loved Dear Ishqiya. Unfortunately, maybe did not do that well on the box office. Urta Punjab has been excellent, and Ishqiya has been there as well. तो कैसा आपका तजुर्बा रहा वर्किंग विद समवन?
मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही एनरिचिंग एक्सपीरियंस रहा और बहुत ही अलग अलग तरीके से रहा, क्योंकि अभिषेक चौबे के साथ मैं बहुत पहले से काम करना चाहता हूँ, बट कोई तरीका नहीं बन रहा था उनसे मिलने का भी
जी।
और इसमें ऐसा था कि वो उन्होंने खुद ही फ़ोन किया और बोला कि मैं तुम्हें कुछ सुनाना चाहता हूँ, और पहला पेज पढ़ा और कमाल की स्क्रिप्ट थी, और मैंने बोला कि आप आगे पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो आप पढ़ सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन मैं पिक्चर करना चाहता हूँ अगर आप इसके लिए पढ़ रहे हैं तो. सो आई वॉज दैट श्योर देन about the film and why it could be so important, because it is very, very true Chambal of 19 specific time in India's history, emergency 1970s, and you see by locking space and time it doesn't change anything, because the contexts that are there in the film are right now in Bombay or in Delhi or anywhere. So it has not changed, and since Baghi culture or the kind of thinking, the uniformity of thought because of which they have uniforms, they are only in India. They're not anywhere else in the world. So this is very local India story, just not Chambal story. So I thought that this is very, very required, if not, very commercial. I didn't start like that. So those were the things, and of course, when you work with these greats,
Right.
and you're not nervous because you have done your homework properly. You have done your homework, why would you be fearful? You know what I'm saying? Because, and you expect actors so good to be helpful. That's what you can, pray. And sir was just not helping me by not saying, but just by, you learn few things and he's not even saying, he's just gently pushing you like that. And he would cook. So I'll tell you something. When your senior actor who have just seen and have known what good acting is also cooking post, you think that you're liked by that, and we have met as actors, so you probably think that as actors he's encouraging, and that's a good sign enough to be very confident the next day. That was happening.
I mean, thank you very much. But it's very, very important for me, to know my actor. Just not because I'm part of the film. I think I personally take it as an opportunity to know another human being who's having the same, he's going through the same journey, who is having the same conflict. He's in the same zone as mine. Because actors are, all actors, all of us, I relate to them. I empathize with them. I am a big supporter of them, because they are not here only because they wanted to be an actor. They are here because they want to do something very special with themselves, away from the convention that all of us are brought up with. So I look at him as somebody who, broke away from all the convention to be here and making a mark for himself. So I have a whole loads of respect. Believe me, In our industry, what happens that we tend to be insecure of each other, okay? And we tend to celebrate each other's failure. But it never happened to me. I personally celebrate my actor's success, because it's not only his success, it's the success of the whole, it's the journey that he has traveled. It's the success of everything that he believed in. For me, if his Dhoni is, succeeding, it's not only Sushant Singh Rajput who's making, it's not only a victory for him, it's a victory for a whole lot of things that he's carrying with himself. And I understand it. So, to help him, to support him, to be with him, to let him know that I'm no enemy of yours, okay? I'm with you on your way, in this brief journey that we met. It's very, very important to earn that man, to earn that person's respect.
Wow, that's wonderful. Now, talking about Son Chidiya, so you've done Bandit Queen, several films have been made with the backdrop of dacoits in India, including Chambal. So, इसमें अलग क्या है? जैसे proverbial एक चीज़ होती है कि ऐसा क्या इसमें ख़ास है जो कि पहले लोगों ने शायद नहीं देखा है?
You've seen many films on the gangsters in Mumbai, but they were different. Okay, some of them are based on true stories. Some of them are based on, some of them are fictional stories.
Right.
Similarly, I mean, we haven't made so many films based in Chambal and on the life of dacoits. Okay, Bandit Queen was 25 years back, mind it, and that was based on Phool and Davis' lives. It was based on a book. Okay, the name of the book was Bandit Queen.
Right.
Okay, but here, 25 years after Bandit Queen, Abhishek Chabi is making a film which is fictional, but the story is set in the emergency time. So he's being true to
1975.
the behavior and the lives of the dacoits, but he's making a fictional story about the existential crisis these band of dacoits are going through, and how they are trying to get out of it, how they are trying to to achieve to chase whatever they want to chase. That's why the name of the film, Son Chiriya. Son Chiriya is a golden bird. It's a bird which is rarely seen. Okay, but everybody wants to have it. Everybody wants to catch it. So that's where this film is different, and it is talking something very, very, very important and very big. Apart from the entertainment, apart from the drama that it has, but also you will see intercaste rivalry, you will see the politics of it, you will see the conflict that each and every character is going through, all of that. That's how it is very, very different from Bandit Queen.
All right, so the milieu is totally different from what maybe I think you've done in the past. You've done like a Dhoni, which has that feel of Bihari and that element, but this is like as desi and as hardcore interiors of the country as it gets. So what is the preparation like?
I think that
like this?
when we want to give a right answer to the question, what we miss often is, this is how an audience sees a performance. That Dhoni is different from Byomkesh, or a Byomkesh is different from Mansoor in Kedarnath. But for an actor, there could be methods, but generally the method is you need to convince yourself to the level of belief, minimum, that you should be doing what the character must be doing at that point in time. Right. So if you do it, then for me, Byomkesh is as real as somebody as Dhoni, who you know independently, and probably you don't know Byomkesh. You know what I'm saying? And any other fictional character is also very, very real, because unless I make them real in my head, I cannot pretend to the level of my belief. I have to believe so that there is a possibility that you would believe. So that is what I'm saying. So these characters that I do, in my head, I could end up with a bad performance. That's a different thing. In my head, I have no iota of doubt that I'm exactly feeling what my character should feel at this point in time to do what is written in the script. So that is a marker, not anything else.
Heavy duty stuff.
He is a heavy duty. पूरा heavy duty है ना. He is सुशांत सिंह राजपूत.
Right.
है ना. So सिंह पे खत्म हो जाना चाहिए था.
Right.
लेकिन राजपूत भी है.
So basically we have this quiz on dacoits in Hindi films. Okay, since अपनी पिक्चर जो है वो डकैतों के बारे में है. So let's find out that आप लोग में से कौन उसको जीत सकता है. And ये
क्या है ये?
There's a very fine Bluetooth speaker, sir.
ये मेरा है.
अगर मैं डकैतों को अच्छे से जानता हूँ तो मैं छीन लूँगा. इस आंसर पे मुझे दे देना.
और भाइयों में दुश्मनियाँ हुई हैं, गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड्स में रंजिशें हुई हैं.
लास्ट टाइम जॉन लेके गया था, इस टाइम तो छोड़ूंगा नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
क्या बात कर.
हाँ, लेके चला गया यार.
बिल्कुल. इस बार आपको you should fight for it. All right, so let's find out. So the idea is that I'll ask the question. If you know it, you can go for it immediately. Otherwise, I'll give you options. Okay. And whoever knows the answer first gives the answer first.
लेकिन ऐसा अच्छा थोड़ी लगेगा. मैं बहुत नॉन चिवलरस लगूंगा.
नहीं,
please do it.
He is your age. Yeah.
He's younger.
He's younger. Yeah. So don't get into the chivalrous part at all. Actually.
All right.
All right. So the first question is, what was the name of actor who played the lead role in Ram Gopal Verma's film Veerappan? I'll give you options.
हाँ, बोलिए.
Sachin Joshi, Umakant Dheer, Sandeep Bhardwaj.
संदीप भारद्वाज.
तक भारद्वाज खत्म नहीं कर रहा था. आपने पहले लिया.
अब
मुझे समझ में आया मेरा नाम 3 क्यों बोल रहे थे. यही होता था. भारद्वाज होने का वेट कर रहा था ताकि मैंने नाम बोल सकूं. Thank you, sir.
This is very easy as well. I think both of you should be knowing this.
You're putting pressure unnecessarily.
That's the idea.
Okay.
Who was the music composer of classic film Sholay?
Yeah.
आरडी बर्मन
Absolutely.
आइए देखो
इतनी जल्दी थोड़ी
2-0. 2-0. Okay, who was the lead actor of film Dakat? Amitabh Bachchan.
सनी देओल
सर ऑप्शन के पहले आप कैसे दे सकते हैं?
he said if you don't know I'll give you option he said if you don't know I'll give you
That is
option
true.
right
That is true. That is true. That is true.
Oh, okay.
The idea is if you know it,
I didn't
you
hear
just
it
have-
properly. Can we start again?
3-0. It's only. All right, so there is still chance. You can definitely make a comeback.
you know
And,
why I'm answering all of these questions because Bennett Quinn के पहले यही सब रिसर्च किया था मैंने
मैंने सिर्फ सर की फिल्म देखी थी और जिससे आप पूछ नहीं रहे क्योंकि
All
आपको
right.
friend के लिए इजी होगा
Now, this is let's see who played the role of villain, a dacoit, in the film Mera Gaon Mera Desh.
विनोद खन्ना
याद करना यार ऐसे मैं गूगल थोड़ी हूँ मुझे थोड़ी याद रहेगा
जब्बर सिंह नाम था
4-0.
हाँ।
4-0.
क्या बात?
4-0.
मैं अब दे ही दीजिए मैं हार स्वीकार
हमारे
करता
स्कूल में दिखाई गई थी ये फिल्म मैं छोटा था ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट अब
हूँ। डाकू जब सरेंडर करते हैं तो उनको पुरस्कार मिलता है मैं सरेंडर कर रहा हूँ मुझे दे दो मुझे दे
जमीनों में भी मिलती है
हाँ
हाँ जमीनें भी दी जाती हैं विनोबा भावे जी के समय में जमीनें भी दी गई थी
मैं सरेंडर कर रहा हूँ
let's
मुझे हरा के ही रहेंगे
let's see.
लव से हरा
अभी भी काफी है
हाँ.
and आप you can still make a comeback. I have a strong feeling. Who played the role of Irfan Khan's wife in the film Pan Singh
माही
Toomer?
गिल
ऐसा थोड़ी होता है यार मतलब
He's not even
पता
there. He's not even there in the
ऐसा
film.
नहीं था कि मुझे पता नहीं था मुझे पता था ओहो
Okay, 5-0. It's
मैंने फिल्म देखने के बाद इरफान को मैंने मैसेज किया था
हाँ.
हाँ तो मुझे ये फिल्म बहुत अच्छे से पता है
मुझे भी पता है मैं और कोई सवाल
स्पेशल
सर आप जवाब में तो मैं देखो जवाब देकर दिखाता हूँ कि नहीं
this was incredible. Okay,
आपने खुद ही सिखाया स्लो सांस लो स्लो सांस ले रहा हूँ मैं आंसर दे निकल रहे हैं आप तो तेज लग
in which of the following films Pran Sahab played a role of dacoit?
हाँ
शहजादा,
हाँ
बेईमान, मधुमती, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है.
जिस देश में गंगा बहती है
इंडिया
जिस देश में गंगा बहती
मैं कुछ तो आंसर दिया मैंने
है इन्होंने किस देश में गंगा बहती है
6-0. Okay, so Sushant, you should try.
I'm trying what you say
Dilip Kumar played a role of a dacoit in which of the following movies?
चलो मैं
I'll give you
छोड़ देता हूँ
options.
तुम्हारे लिए
कोहिनूर, गंगा जमुना, पैगाम,
1 2
अमर.
3 4 गंगा जमुना अब मैंने देखो मैंने इतना समय दिया भैया भाई
गंगा
दर्शकों
जमुना में ये पैगाम दिया
गंगा
गया था
जमुना
कि वो उसमें
गंगा जमुना
अरे यार सर
7-0.
मैं मेमोरी को मारकर मानता ही नहीं हूँ फिल्म से प्यार करने का मेमोरी क्यों होनी चाहिए
Okay, we'll take one last question. All right, so Oscar-winning film Mother India was a remake of which of the following films?
राइट
Okay,
मैं अभी भी मैं 5 एक्चुअली 10 तक गिनती देता हूँ इनको नहीं बता पाएंगे ये
इंसान, औरत, ऐलान, नजमा.
बताइए मैं चुपचाप हूँ
ऐलान
औरत
औरत.
मैं ये ऐलान करता हूँ कि ये गेम अभी खत्म हो चुका है
This was an incredible, incredible.
इतनी बुरी
देखो
तरह
Performance by Manoj Bajpayee.
देखिए मैंने छोड़ दिया था दो सवाल का आंसर मैंने हमेशा 1 2 3 4 यहाँ पर 10 का काउंट दिया था
Right.
सर क्वेश्चन का आंसर ना देना पड़े इसलिए मैं इंजीनियरिंग छोड़ के इधर
देख
आया
लिया।
थैंक गॉड यहाँ क्वेश्चंस पूछ नहीं जाते
तो ये आपको प्लीज हैंड ओवर करना है सर को.
सर
थैंक यू वेरी मच
This speaker is worth it, sir. Trust me, you'll like it.
इफ क्या है
It's a speaker, Bluetooth speaker.
ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर जो मैं शूटिंग पे लेके जाया
बिल्कुल
करूंगा।
सर. It's like a compact thing. You'll love it.
और अपने कमरे में 9 बजे के पहले वाला जो पार्टी होती है वो वाली पार्टी होगी 9 o'clock I'll sleep
9 बजे के बाद मैं ले जाऊँ
ठीक है
उसके बाद मैं पार्टी करता हूँ
Rapid fire with Sushant Singh Rajput. If Lucknow was on Tinder, what would his profile say today? If you can say that in Hindi.
टिंडर बेईमान बागी सावधान
हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया है टेंडर
बहुत
बेईमान हाँ क्या बात नाइस क्या बात
Okay. What would be Lucknow's pickup line for girls?
सोन चिड़ैया यार सोने की चिड़िया बोल रहा
हाँ,
है
सोन चिड़ैया हाँ क्या बात है अरे
इन्फ्लेक्शन में देखा ना डाला है
सोन
कुछ
चिड़ैया
उसके अलावा अगर कहना चाहें तो.
पिक्चर है सर, प्लग इन कर रहा हूँ मैं।
वो लड़की को गोल्डन बर्ड बोल रहा है, मतलब लड़की तो
लड़की
धराशायी।
खुश, मैंने नाम ले लिया, प्रोड्यूसर खुश, सब खुश है
सब
सर,
खुश।
रहने दीजिए।
All right, 3 books according to you everyone must read.
School books, because that's how you and I think people miss out on religious texts these days. I would just tell them to also read that, so as to see that there could
I was
be
going to
striking similarities between what we study now and those texts written then. Those are different layers of cryptography. It's like condensed metaphors, but if you want to see, you can see these things. So that is very fascinating. So they should also read. And the third thing that I think everyone should read is coding. Just like one language is required for any career, like doctor, you need to know English or Hindi or anything like that. In 3 to 5 years, everyone will be required to know coding.
If you could meet any historical figure, who would it be?
Mr. Gandhi,
Why?
I find his ideologies very, very exciting, more exciting than what I thought as a kid when I was reading what he did. So now I understand its value, just not in moral and moral sense or ethics sense, but also in terms of getting people together and making them good individually and as a team. So that's great.
If heaven exists, what would you like to hear God say when you arrive at the pearly gates?
It was all just a dream.
It was all just a dream.
What a line.
अपनी पिक्चर देसी है तो एक शब्द में जवाब। लखना और सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की एक कॉमन आदत।
डरते नहीं है।
डरते नहीं है राजपूत।
इसलिए नहीं, इसलिए कि पता है कि क्या चाहिए और वो क्यों चाहिए, तो फिर अगर ये दोनों पता होता है तो डर कम लगता है।
ऑलराइट, ऐसा गाना जो आपको कभी भी नाचने पे मजबूर कर दे।
अच्छे गाने। देखिए मैंने डांस से शुरू किया था, इंजीनियरिंग जब मैं कर रहा था तो पहले डांस करता था, तो मैंने देखा कि मुझे किसी रिदम से बहुत प्यार है। तो बोल नहीं होते उतना चेंज इन कॉम्पोजिशन उतना नहीं होता, ये सब भी होता है, लेकिन मैं किसी रिदम से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, किसी रिदम से उतना प्यार नहीं करता हूँ, और किसी रिदम पे कोई सा डांस हो सकता है, तो दैट डिफाइंस दैट। सो यस, so there are many songs that have great rhythm. All those songs I would love to dance.
Any song that comes to mind?
मैं सबसे पुराना अगर या सुनते रहते हैं, कहीं कहीं बजता रहता है, बेथोवन की सिम्फनी है, तो उसमें आप कितनी भी कोरियोग्राफी कर सकते हैं। जैसे शेक्सपियर में 5 लाख प्लेस कर दीजिए, रोमियो एंड जूलियट में फिर भी थोड़ा थोड़ा वेरिएशन निकलेगा। इट इज द सेम थिंग विद दीज, दोज आर मैथमेटिक्स actually. Music, the composition is a very good progression in mathematics. So yeah, rhythm.
लखना की एक ऐसी गाली जो सुशांत भी बहुत बार इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
भगवान,
जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो लखना बोल ही नहीं सकता था। आउट ऑफ नॉट फैसिनेशन विद द लैंग्वेज, लेकिन मैं जो यूज करता हूँ एक ही चीज बार बार, वो अंग्रेजी शब्द है, और वो इसीलिए अंग्रेजी नहीं है कि मुझे अंग्रेजी ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, वो जस्ट आदत पड़ गई। तो लखना तो वो बोल ही नहीं सकता था, तो मैं बच गया हूँ सर
जी। बच गए।
एक चीज जो लखना को बाकी डकैतों से अलग करती है,
कॉन्टेम्पलेशन। सर क्या जो कैरेक्टर है वो कर चुके हैं, तो इसलिए मैं उनसे भी अलग हूँ। तो सिर्फ एक इकलौता बागी इज रिबेलियन, राइट, एंड रिबेलियन अगेंस्ट आइडियाज प्रोबेबली. So if you're so rebellious against a particular idea, you have clarity of thought. So if you have clarity of thought, why are you contemplating? But I'm the contemplative one, so it's a paradoxical, अद्वैत।
लखना की सबसे बड़ी कमजोरी?
भरोसा करना अच्छी बात है, सब पे भरोसा करना अच्छी बात नहीं होती। मतलब अच्छी क्या, गलत हो सकता है खुद की सुरक्षा के लिए।
फॉलोइंग चीजें, ठंडा या गर्म, आपको क्या लगता है? डेटिंग एप्स?
ठंडा।
फास्ट फूड?
ठंडा।
लेट नाइट चैटिंग?
डिपेंड करता है कि कौन है। किसी को रात को दिमाग ज्यादा काम करता है तो वो दिन में सो जाए, तो मतलब ऐसा दिन रात पे तो नहीं कर सकता।
सोशल मीडिया ट्रायल्स? कभी
कभी बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट वेपन है वो। छुरा को शार्प करते रहते तो शार्प होता है, लेकिन हम उससे ऑपरेशन भी कर सकते हैं, उससे किसी को मार भी सकते हैं, तो छुरा है वो।
सोशल मीडिया ट्रायल्स?
सोशल मीडिया छुरा है, इसके साथ हम लोग बहुत अच्छी चीज कर सकते हैं।
सोशल मीडिया ट्रायल्स कह रहे हैं।
Well, that's what I'm saying. If somebody has actually made a mistake, this is a very important tool to punish, like immediately, and it can put pressure on agencies to take immediate actions. So in that way, it's a good thing. And if somebody is not at fault, it's a very bad thing, because he's not even getting time to defend.
हॉरर नॉवेल्स?
क्या कहते हैं उसको? गरम।
गरम गरम
गरम,
okay.
हाँ।
Alcohol.
ये तो डिपेंड करता है कि क्या ले रहे हो.
Right. After this very engaging rapid fire, it's time for Manoj Bajpayee. All right.
Much more improved Manoj Bajpayee that you are going to encounter.
अरे sir, you are rocking actually. Don't even say that. You rocking.
Prefix जो लगा है आपके नाम पे उसी पे आदमी.
All right. Rapid fire with Manoj Bajpayee. How would Man Singh proposed Durga from Gangs of Wasseypur?
डर लग रहे हो है? काहे से?
हमसे.
Okay. What will Man Singh say if he meets Sardar Khan from Gangs of Wasseypur?
का सरदार हैं? गोली पड़ेगी कम पड़ गई के निशाने न लग रहा है.
क्या बात है. कटाक्ष कटाक्ष.
Your most used Hindi gali?
There are too many. You know, surprisingly, श्रुति मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ.
जी.
मैं सत्या के पहले तक गाली नहीं देता. आप यकीन नहीं मानेंगे, मैं गाली देता ही नहीं था. मुझे लगता था यार गाली, और मैं जिस एरिया से आता हूँ ना वहाँ पे गाली को लोग बड़े सीरियसली लेते हैं. बिहार में, वो चंपारण जिले में बहुत ही सीरियसली लेते हैं. मतलब वहाँ पे खून हो जाता है गाली गलौज पे. और वहीं पे पले बड़े थे हम लोग, तो गाली देते नहीं थे. और जिस तरह के परिवार से आए थे, अगर मतलब सीटी बजाना भी वहाँ पे अलाउड नहीं था हमारे परिवार में. और जब आप हॉरर नॉवल की बात हमसे इनसे पूछ रहे थे, अगर हम लोग सॉफ्ट नॉवल पढ़ते हुए पाए जाते थे तो मतलब उस दिन तो मतलब
मतलब कॉमिक्स जो होते थे वो पकड़े गए तो फिर
मतलब मार मार के आपको जो है कचरा कर दिया जाता था. तो गाली में देता नहीं था. ये जो सत्या में ना हमें कहा गया कि आपको गाली देनी है, और बैंडिट क्वीन में मेरे कैरेक्टर को ज़रूरत नहीं थी बिकॉज ऑलमोस्ट साइलेंट कैरेक्टर था
जी.
और वहाँ से जो बांध खुला है वो रुक मतलब फाटक बंद करने की कोशिश किए जा रहा हूँ मैं. मेरी फेवरेट गालियाँ बहुत हैं और वो गालियाँ जो हैं ज़्यादातर निकलती हैं जब
आप इतने सीरियसली बोल रहे हो तो और
He is getting into the zone. Sushant.
जब निकलती तभी हैं जब बहुत ही कोई आपका खून जो है ना उबाल दे, तो वो ऐसी ऐसी निकलती हैं जिसका जिन गालियों के बारे में लोगों ने सुना भी नहीं होगा. मैं उस इलाके से आता हूँ जहाँ पे गाली देने से खुद कत्ल हो जाते हैं, और वहाँ पे ऐसी गालियाँ भी दी जाती हैं जो लोगों ने सुना. मैं दे नहीं सकता यहाँ पे क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैं एक बार भुगत चुका हूँ साथ उचक्के के प्रमोशन के कारण. लेकिन मैं फरीदून के बहकावे में नहीं आऊँगा. बहनों भाइयों, आज वो समय है कि मैं अपने पद्मश्री के सम्मान को सेलिब्रेट करूँ.
क्या बात है.
If a Hindi film is made on your life, what would be its title?
निर्भय.
Wow. If you were to give Man Singh a nickname, what would it be?
मनिया. क्या मनिया?
मैंने क्या
So quick replies in one word.
या
With Man Singh. Man Singh का सबसे बड़ा डर.
सबसे बड़ा डर उसका बच्चे.
बच्चे होना.
जो बैक स्टोरी मुझे लगती है, हाँ बच्चे.
एक ऐसा गाना जिस पे मान सिंह डांस करना चाहेगा.
क्या बोले थे.
हरे राम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम.
हाँ करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट
करेक्ट है.
करेक्ट.
मान सिंह की एक ऐसी क्वालिटी जो किसी को भी प्रभावित कर दे.
हाँ, क्वालिटी कमाल है कि मतलब ऐसा पहली बार आप डकैत देखेंगे जो पहले फ्रेम से लेकर लास्ट फ्रेम तक वो कमाल का कॉम्बिनेशन है वो. कि जितना वो गुरिल्ला है, मतलब वॉरफेयर में एकदम गुरिल्ले की तरह से ऑपरेट करता है, उतना ही वो स्पिरिचुअल भी है.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. Okay.
That's an amazing combination.
Finally, ठंडा या गरम. Social media.
ठंडा.
Non-veg food.
गरम.
Rap.
ओह गरम.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत.
गरम.
Biopics.
ठंडा.
अच्छा, you don't like biopics?
No.
Oh, okay, interesting. Web series.
Average.
Okay. Item songs.
ठंडा.
Acha, you don't like item songs as well. That's pretty interesting. So he's superbly honest. Okay, finally, in fact, Vanisa, I think on a serious note,
जी.
I would like to just know your views on
Yeah.
this recent Pulwama attack, the way it has happened, and the entire country is burning right now. You are doing a film.
We are
called
with the
Rifleman.
country. We are with the soldiers. We are always, as Indians, I think everybody should be and is with the soldiers.
Right.
What happened is brutal. It has completely shaken us up. 41 lives. Whenever a soldier dies, I don't think about only the soldier who died. You think about the family that he left behind.
Right.
So my heart bleeds. I feel very sad for the family. But that's why I don't see the clippings of the videos which comes of their funerals. because it takes away my, it just tears my heart. So बहुत सारी श्रद्धांजलि और बहुत सारी शक्ति मिले उनके परिवार वालों को.
Correct.
मैं तो यही कहूँगा, क्योंकि शहीद जो हुए उनको तो सलाम, लेकिन उनके परिवार के लिए एक लंबी यात्रा है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. What about you? You're doing this movie called Rifleman, and I believe that has the backdrop of army. In a ways, how do you look at whatever has happened? And
I think there's hardly any choice of looking at difference in ways of looking at this. If there are these great heroes and the soldiers who are, their function is to stake their lives for us so that we can be at peace together. Correct me if I'm wrong. So if those are people who are willingly saying that we would do that whenever there is a problem, we must take care of these heroes. If because of any planning which we don't know, they are killed, that it is a very alarming situation. People who should be respected are being killed. That means there is a very, very alarming situation. And then, of course, it's democracy. There are so many parameters to keep them in mind. Whatever government, who is like a democratic government, and the natural, we are feeling the rage. But yeah, so whatever, there are different strategic decisions that they take to solve the problem. It's not like specific in terms of what do I want, but of course anybody who has done this should be punished and quickly for safety of everyone.
all right. Thank you so much. Looking forward to Sonchiriya and all your future films. And all the
Thank
best.
you, Bharnu.
Thank you. And congratulations once again, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Always
much.
lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Manoj Bajpayee,
Hi, I'm Sushant Singh Rajput.
and you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama.